Morning everybody. Today discuss question number 8, but first we will discuss question number 7 because we will actually find the value of AB, but here we will find the AP equal 4 centimeters. So again further solve question number 7. So here actually find the AB. So AB is equal to 2 into AP. So AB is equal to 2 into what is AP? AP is 4 centimeter. So AB is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is answer. Next question is 8th question. Here solve 8th question. So question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle C given figure. This figure is given. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. We know that the tangents drawn from an exterior and external point to a circle are equal. Then dr is equal to ds. Here dr is equal to ds because this is the external point. So these tangents are equal. So this is first equation. Further CR is equal to CQ. Here CR or CQ equal. This is the external point. This is equation second. BP is equal to BQ. This is BP is equal to BQ because this is external point. So these tangents are equal. So this is equation third. Next AP is equal to AS. Here AP is equal to AS. This is external point. So these tangents are equal. This is equation 4. Adding all these equations we obtain the LHS adding in LHS and RHS adding in RHS. So DR plus CR plus BP plus AP equal DS plus CQ plus BQ or AS. Then this is complete. Solve. The value of DR plus CR is CD in this figure. DR and CR. So this is combined here and this is combined here and this combined here and this is combined also here. This is CD, this is AB. AB is equal to AP plus BP. So this is AB and DS plus AS. DS plus AS, this is AD. So this is AD. CQ plus BQ. CQ plus BQ, this is BC. So proved. Here this value is proved. So this is proved. Next question is 9th question. 9th question, in the given figure, this is given figure, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangents AB. This is another tangent AB with point of contact C. This is C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. XY intersect at A, here B. Prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Means here proved AOB is equal to 90 degree. Let us join point O to C. Here O to C is joined. In triangle OPA in this triangle and again this triangle AOC or OCA, also OCA. OP is equal to OC, the radius of circle. AP plus AC, AP is equal to AC. This is tangent from a point A. AO is equal to AO. This is common side. This is common side. Hence, triangle OPA congruent triangle COCA by SSS congruency. So, angle POA is equal to angle COA by CPCT. So, this is first equation. Similarly, in triangle OQB and triangle OCB, OQB and OCB both are congruent. So here by CPCT this QOB and CQO equal by equation first and second. Here since PQ is a diameter, so this is the straight line. So sum of all angle of a straight line is 180 degree. So this is angle POA plus angle COA plus angle COB, angle QOB is equal to 180 degree, and put the value of equation 1 and 2 here. So this is COA and this is QCOB. Here QOB is COB. So here COB. So this is 2 time and this is 2 time. So 2 time divided by 2. So this is 90 degree. But here COA and COB in this figure, COA and COB, this is complete angle AOB. So this is AOB 90 degree. So proved. Hence proved because this value is proved. Next question is 10th question. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to circle is supplementary to the angle subtended via the line segment joining the points of contact. And this angle, any AOP, so this angle and this angle, sum of these angles are supplementary 180 degree because here supplementary angle at the center means this angle. Let a circle with center O, let AP and VP be two tangents join A to B. Here OA perpendicular AB and OB perpendicular BP. We also know that the radius perpendicular of tangents. Therefore, angle OAP is equal to 90 degree, OAP 90 degree and OBP 90 degree. In quadrilateral OAPB, sum of all angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. This is quadrilateral. So this value is OAP means this angle OAP and OBP and APB and AOB. So this is 90 degree. This is not have you have. This is 90 degree. This is same. 1990. This is 180. Subtract here. So this is 180. So this angle are supplementary. Angle this angle AOB and APB. Proved. Next question, 11th question. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Here this is given parallelogram. So draw a figure. ABC is parallelogram. Then AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AB because the opposite side of parallelogram are equal. Now D R equal DS, CR equal CQ, BP is equal to BQ, AP is equal to AS because the tangent on the circle from an external point. We also did length in equal. Adding these equations and according same previous question number 8. So the sum CD plus AB, the value of this here CD is AB because AB is equal to CD according to parallelogram, and same AD is BC because here AD is BC by equation second. Also here write down by equation this value first and second. 2 is 2 cancel out, so AB is equal to BC. This is 7 equation. From equation first, second and 7. So all values are equal. We also know that the all sides of a rhombus are equal. So this is rhombus, hence proved. Next question. This question is lengthy but not tough. The triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segment BD and CD into such BC is divided by the point of contact DR of length 8 cm and 6 cm. 8 cm and 6 cm. See in figure, find the sides AB and AC. So AB and AC be find. CF is equal to CD. This is F. So CF is equal to CD. The tangent on the circle from the external point are equal. So B equal BD 8 cm, BD and V equal, and this is AF and AE equal. This let X. So AB is AE plus V, so X plus 8, and BC is 14. This is BC 6 plus 8, and CA and AC is X plus 6. So S is equal to AB plus BC plus C upon 2. So put the value X plus 8 plus 14 plus 6 plus 8. So total is, in dividing completely, 14 plus X. In triangle area of triangle ABC means complete triangle area by Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the value of S is 14 plus X, S 14 plus X, and A is 14, as 14 plus X minus of X 6 plus X. So this is complete is minus 6 and minus X. 14 plus X minus 8 minus X, this value same, this is X, so this is 8 and this is 6. So here square root of these values, so multiplies X here and 3. If 3 is this value is also written 2 into 3, so 2 into 8 is 16, square root of 16 is 4, so 4 is here, and the value is here 3 and 14x plus x square. So this value is complete. Triangle, area of triangle OBC, here OBC is this area. So 1/2 height into breadth, so height is 4 cm. This is radius, also given is 4 cm. So here 1/2 4 into 14, this is complete 28, same as triangle OCA, same formula 1/2 height into is, height is 4 and base is 6 plus x, total is this 12 plus 2x. Same OAB, so height is 4 centimeter but base is 8 plus x, so this is 16 plus 2x completely. So area of triangle ABC is equal to area of this sum of these triangles. So area of triangle OBC, area of triangle OCA plus area of triangle OAB. Put the value of these areas. So put value here and here. So multiply by 3 is, so this is 42x and this is 3x square, and total is 16 plus 12 plus 28 56. 2x plus 2x is 4x. Here divide by 4, so this is 14 plus x. So squaring both sides, so here square and square root are cancelled, but here is square, so this is square. So this 14x plus 3x square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here 14, square of 14 is 196 and square of x is x square. 2ab means 2 into 14 into x, this is 28x. So transfer this value here completely. So this value here completely. So 3x square minus x, this is 2x square, and 42x minus 28 is 14x minus 196 divided by 2. So this is x square plus 7x minus 98. Factorize these values. So factorization is 14 into 7 is 96 and 98 and 14 minus 7 is 7. So this is x square plus 14x minus 7x minus 98. Here common is x, so this is x plus 14. Here common is minus 7, so this is x minus plus 14. So here common is x plus 14, so remaining is x minus 7 equal 0. Again x plus 14 equal 0 either, or x minus 7 equal 0. So here x is equal to minus 14 and x is equal to 7. We also know that the length of side is not negative, so this value is neglect. So here x is 7. Hence AB is equal to x plus 8. So 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 centimeter. And AC is equal to 6 plus x. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 30. Next question is 13th question. This is the last question of this exercise. So question number 13. Prove that opposite side of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Opposite angle. So prove here. Let ABCD is a quadrilateral. It touch the circle at points PQRS, joining the vertex to the center. These vertex are joining to center. Now in triangle OAP and triangle OAS. OAP and OAS. So AP is equal to AS because the tangents from the same points. OP is equal to OS, radius of the circle. O is equal to OA, common sides. Congruency also studied in previous class, means 9th class. So here is the congruency. So these triangle are congruent by SS congruency. So angle 1 is equal to angle 8 by CPCT. Here angle 1 and this is 8 by CPCT. Similarly, this triangle are congruent, so angle 2 and angle 3 is equal, and this angle are congruent, so the angle 4 is equal to angle 5, and this angle are equal, angle 6 and equal angle 7. We know that the sum of all angle of a center of a circle is 360 degree. So complete angle of center is 360 degree. So add the angle of all angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 360 degree because angle 1 is equal to angle 8. So this angle shifting angle with angle 1 and angle 2 shift angle 3, angle 4 shift 2 with angle 5 and 6 shift to angle 7. So we will put the value of angle 8. Angle 8 is 1. Angle 8 is 1. So 2 time of angle A 1. 2 type here put the value of angle 4 is 3 equal same. So 3 is equal to 2. So this is angle 2 time. So this angle 2 time, also this angle 2 time. So take the common 2 here and take the common 2 here. As this angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 is angle, this angle AOB. So this is AOB, and angle 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6, COD, COD, because here angle 4 and angle 5 is same. So because we here write the angle 5, 4 and 5 also equal. So this is write the 5. So this angle is complete. 6 and 5 is COD, this. So angle COD, 2 is common. So angle AOB plus angle COD dividing 2. So this is 180 degree. So this is proof the opposite angle is supplementary angle. Here COD and AOB, these are supplementary angle. Same proof as angle AOD and angle BOC is supplementary. Same proof. This is proved. Thank you. And homework, all examples of this chapter and revise the chapter. If any problem, comment box, comment the question, and also video repeat, see the video repeat. Thank you.